Welcome to this video where we'll explore a unique IoT-based energy meter designed for household use, perfect for electrical engineering students and enthusiasts.
Today, I'm excited to share a project that combines the power of IoT with energy monitoring. This project is ideal for diploma and degree students in electrical engineering who want hands-on experience with smart energy management. Our project includes an ESP32 microcontroller, SCT01T current sensors, a ZMPT101B voltage sensor, and LCD displays to show real-time data. The goal is to monitor energy usage in real time and detect potential power theft in a household setup. Let's take a closer look at the components. We have ESP32, the brain of our project, responsible for data processing and communication. SCT01T current sensors, two sensors measuring the current at the incoming and load sides. ZMPT101B voltage sensor for accurate voltage measurements. LCD displays, one for real-time energy parameters and the other for theft detection messages. Here's how everything connects. The ESP32 is connected to the current and voltage sensors, which feed data into it. The data is then processed to calculate power and energy and displayed on the LCDs. If there's any discrepancy in current readings, the system detects it as unauthorized usage and alerts the owner. This project has practical applications in smart homes, helping to monitor and reduce energy usage and even detect power theft. The integration with the Blynk app adds an extra layer of convenience, allowing users to keep track of their energy consumption and alerts remotely. It's a great project for students looking to apply their knowledge in a real-world context with modern IoT features. That is all about this project. I hope you found this project inspiring and informative. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more projects like this. Thanks for watching.